Have you ever noticed that you spend more time at your job than you do with your actual family? 75% of the people in the US work more than 40 hours per week. That means that 1/3 of your life is spent at a job trading your hours for dollars. Now, I don't know about you, when I thought about that, that was very disappointing. How you doing? My name is Chris Bruce. I've been investing in real estate for the past 9 years. And the reason why I got in real estate in the first place was not just to get rich and make a whole bunch of money, it was to make sure that I never ever missed the most important times. That's with family. 75% of new investors never make a dime in real estate. It's not due to a lack of credit or capital, because you actually can get started using a simple strategy, what we call wholesaling. But it's really because they lack the systems and processes of what it takes to actually do a real estate deal. The other 24%, it's because of fear. It's like that Wayne Gretzky quote, you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take.
Dad, look at this! Hey, I did it!
Good job, Sarai. Now I've created a free online training where I'm going to show you step by step how you can get started in real estate today. I'm going to show you how you can actually do this business from the comfort of your home. So that way, like I said before, you won't miss the important times with your family. So there's a button below. You can go ahead and reserve your spot right now to the training. Now, I must be honest with you, there's only 200 spots available. So make sure you reserve your spot right now. Click that button below and secure your spot today. I can't wait to share with you all this information on the class. I'll see you on the web class.